Good afternoon. My name is Brandon Baxter and I'm the plumbing coordinator here at Mechanical Trades Institute. We are excited to be hosting a job fair for multiple contractors, hiring both experienced and inexperienced plumbers to work on commercial and industrial piping projects in the Metro Atlanta and Athens area. The job fair will be held on Friday, May 21st from 12 to 3 p.m. here at Mechanical Trades Institute at 6120 Purdue Drive in Atlanta. Please RSVP at plumberingeorgia.com. We look forward to seeing you there.